Friends, today I'm going to discuss about mixed strategy in game theory. Friends, all we know when mixed strategy is applied. When we fail to determine the saddle point in simple process, then we proceed to the mixed strategy. Okay, mixed strategy is applicable only for M cross M matrix. Means like 2 cross 2 matrix, 3 cross 3 matrix, as like that. Okay. First of all, friends, given a 3 cross 3 matrix as like that, and we have to solve with mixed strategy process. Okay, to proceed, first of all, what we have to do, just multiply x1 to the first row, x2 to the second row, and x3 to the third row. Okay, and similarly after that multiply y1 to the first column, and y2 to the second column, and y3 to the third column. Okay, assuming after a1 is the profit matrix, I mean not a1 actually, a goes to profit matrix as you denote, and obviously b denote for loss matrix. Okay, so first of all we're going to multiply x1 to first row, x2 second row. Okay, I'm writing all about that, just like minus x1 plus x2 plus 3x3. Okay, you should ask one question, that why should I write like that? Actually I said x1 into first row, x2 into second row, and x3 into third row. That's why x1 into minus 1, and in next line we multiply x2 into 1, and in third line we multiply x3 into 3. We add both these together. Okay, and we form an inequality condition. Okay, so next 2x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3. Next after x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3. Okay, now leave this part. In the second part I said y1 into first column, y2 into second column, y3 into third column. So I'm writing similarly by adding like minus y1 plus 2y2, thereafter y3. Next y1 plus 2y2 plus 2y3. Next 3y1 plus 4y2 and minus 3y3. Okay, now I said before that A denotes for the profit matrix and obviously B denotes for the loss matrix. This will denote by a constant number V. How? V will denote like V will called the game value, actually V, game value. V will denote the game value, and we will write like x1 plus x2 plus 3x3, actually minus x1, get equals to V, get equals to V, get equals to V. It means that A will make its profit, okay, equal to V or greater than V. Obviously it's true, and similarly we can say B as going to loss, so that's why we say that B is going to loss equals to V or lower to V. Okay, that's why I am writing like that. Okay, so what is V? Actually V denotes for the game value. We have to find the value of V at the last of the sum. Okay, now the second step, what we have to do in the second step, we have to find the value of x1, x2, x3 by using these three inequations. Okay, first of all we try to make the inequations to the equation to solve these three inequations actually. Okay, for that we may write minus x1 plus x2 plus 3x3 equals to V. Next after 2x1 minus 2x2 plus 4x3 equals to V. x1 plus 2x2 minus 3x3 equals to V. Similarly we can write here y1 plus 2y2 plus y3 equals to V. y1 minus 2y2 plus 2y3 equals to V. 3y1 plus 4y2 minus 3y3 equals to v. Okay friend, actually I made a small mistake. Actually here you will have to put first one thing, that is x1 plus x2 plus x3 equals to 1, and next y1 plus y2 plus y3 equals to 1. It is a mandatory condition from probability actually. Okay, so we have to use this condition to determine the value of x1, x2, x3 and also y1, y2, y3. So it is a mandatory, friends, which I forgot it. Okay, I remind you, that is the mandatory field you have to write for every mixed strategy. If we put x1 x2 for the 2 cross 2 matrix, then we should write x1 plus x2 equals to 1, and thereafter y1 plus y2 equals to 1. Similar process. Okay, so by solving these three equations, now it becomes the equation, like here the equal sign, here the equal sign. Okay, so by solving, what we find we find x1 equals to 17 v by 30. Next x2 equals to 2 v by 3, and x3 equals to 3 v by 10. Okay, similarly here we find, that is y1 equals to 7 by 15th v, and y2 equals to 2v by 5, and thereafter y3 equals to 2v by 3. Friends, the solution of these equations to determine x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3, it totally depends on you, how you want to solve. Okay, next what you have to do, actually you have to, I said before, you have to find the game value, which is v. Okay, so to find the game value, we need to put x1, x2, x3 in any equation out of these three equations. Okay, if we want to put it over here, minus x1 plus x2 plus 3x3, then you will find the value of v, that is equals to 15 by 23. Okay, next here the game value. Okay, now you will have to find the locations, how many locations are present for this game value. To find here, over here you will have to draw, that is x1, x2, x3, and the another point will be y1, y2, y3. Okay, these are the 2 points where I will get the game value. Okay, so I must put the value of v over here to get the proper value of x1, and I will put the value of v over here to get the proper value of x2. Similarly, I will put the value of v over here and here also and here also to find the y1, y2, y3 in proper value. Okay, so after putting these values, I find 17 by 46 as x1, 10 by 23 as x2, and thereafter 9 by 46 as x3, and thereafter 7 by 23 as y1, 6 by 23 as y2, and 10 by 23 as y3. So friends, these are the solutions point where I find the game value. This is the complete solution. Thank you.